Welcome back! As I promised you, we are going to analyze the gap. What is gap? Everybody knows what a gap is, but just for you to remember, a gap is the bridge between one price and other price, and they jump one point to the second point. And this is the core of latency arbitrage, because we are going to analyze the difference between fast source and slow source. The gap is like the EKG, the electrocardiogram. We are going to analyze those movements little by little, okay? Let's gonna teach you how to do it with my assistant.
Find the exact center of the gap indicator. This is the zero line. Locate the zero line within the gap window and visually trace that horizontal line across the entire chart. When the blue gap line moves decisively above the zero line, this is your immediate signal for a sell order. Conversely, when the red gap line drops below zero, that indicates a strong buy signal. These movements represent the price divergence, the larger the spike above or below zero, the greater the arbitrage opportunity for an immediate trade. Here is a live view of a triggered sell order. You can confirm the algorithm's execution details within the Westernpips terminal, and simultaneously, you can verify this exact order entry and its parameters displayed on your connected MetaTrader account. Let's turn our attention to the price box, where we cross-reference the exact quote. Here you can see the gap between fast feed and slow feed. The fast price already dropped, and the slow price is still frozen. That time difference is the gap we exploit.
And that's it. That's the way how to analyze the gap. If you have more questions, just let us know in the comments, and I will wait for more and more people to text me to Telegram or WhatsApp, wherever you want. I will be able to answer and to help you. Remember that you are not alone. We are going to help you to learn. That is our purpose. Gap analysis allows you to move from guesswork to precision, and that is going to be a bomb to you. Let's see you in the next video.